innovation, future, flight. They said it couldn't be done. We were never meant to fly. Two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, thought otherwise. Dayton has a rich history of technology and engineering innovation, but few outside of the state know it. Hundreds of notable inventions have their roots in the entrepreneurism of Dayton businesses and individuals, including airplane superchargers, parachutes, ATMs, bionic organs, and nuclear-powered pacemakers. In fact, global aerospace and its ancillary industries can find the origin of their incredible success today right here in Dayton, because there is one Dayton invention that soars above the rest, the one they said could never be. The Wright Brothers airplane is one of the most recognizable inventions in the world, and it's a Dayton original. But how many people know that the airplane first flown by the Wright brothers at Kitty Hawk in December 1903 was actually developed and built by the Wrights in Dayton, Ohio, not at Kitty Hawk? Built at the Brothers Bicycle Shop in Dayton and tested on the fields of Huffman Prairie in what is now Wright-Patterson Air Force Base just east of the city, the 1905 Wright Flyer, the world's first practical airplane, is a national symbol of American invention and ingenuity. Now, the Wright Image Group, a local organization comprised of engineers, business leaders, professionals, and aviation enthusiasts, will bring that symbol back home to Dayton with the Wright Brothers Monument. The monument will have a 120-foot wingspan, the length of the brothers' first flight, on a pedestal 220 feet high. Situated at the crossroads of I-70 and I-75, the monument will be viewed annually by over 52 million vehicles and will serve as an icon for the entire Dayton region. This monument not only commemorates Dayton as the birthplace of aviation, global center of our aviation heritage, but also the home and future of aerospace and aviation engineering advancement. Perhaps more importantly, it reminds an entire industry that their success, indeed their very existence, is indebted to the Wright brothers for their technical foresight and passion for flight. Significantly, there is the additional benefit of attracting active tourism and investment in the region. As the designated Ohio hub of innovation and opportunity, as symbolized by the Wright Flyer Monument, the Dayton area will strengthen and add to existing high-tech aerospace, research, industrial, and manufacturing facilities in the Dayton region. But ambitious projects like these, whether it's the creation of an airplane or a monument to the history of aviation, take community support, planning, and investment. The project site has already been pledged to the Wright Image Group by local developer Crossroads Properties. Community and municipal support and approval from the surrounding areas has been overwhelmingly granted, and a conceptual model, renderings, and preliminary design work and estimates are underway. Like the Wright brothers, we at the Wright Image Group know that it takes more than big ideas and big dreams to fuel the future. It takes hard work and investment. Help build a lasting legacy for the aerospace industry by sharing in this tribute to our history and recognizing our debt to the fathers of flight. We invite you to honor our nation's aviation heritage with a generous donation to the nonprofit Wright Image Group to help fund this extraordinary project. Donors who wish to lend their legacy to aerospace in general or this remarkable piece of aviation history in particular can choose from many types of naming opportunities based on donation level. Come help the world of aerospace take flight today and into the future. For more information, discussions on naming opportunities, or where to send donations, contact or send to Wright Image Group, 1605 North Main Street, Dayton, Ohio 45405, or call 937-276-2963. The Wright Image Group is a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and all donations are fully tax deductible as allowed by law.